Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're comparing the Breville Barista Pro and the Jura ENA 4, huh? Both espresso machines.
Yep, let's dive in. The Breville is semi-automatic, while the Jura is super-automatic. Big difference right there.
Definitely. The Breville, it's more hands-on. You grind, tamp, and pull the shot yourself, but it has an integrated grinder.
The Jura, though, it does everything for you with one touch. Talk about convenience. It also uses what they call a pulse extraction process for better aroma.
I saw that. The Breville uses a thermojet heating system, though. Heats up in like 3 seconds. Pretty impressive.
True, the Jura doesn't specify a heat-up time. It's probably a bit longer. But it does have a professional aroma grinder.
Okay, so Breville lets you manually texture milk for latte art with its steam wand. Does the Jura do any milk frothing?
Nope. The Jura ENA 4 is really focused on espresso and coffee. No milk frothing capabilities.
Gotcha. So if you're a latte or cappuccino fan, Breville wins there. What about water tank size?
Breville's got a 67 ounces water tank. The Jura doesn't list its water tank capacity outright, which is weird.
That is odd. The Breville also has an LCD display to guide you, which is handy.
The Jura uses a symbol display, so a bit more basic, but probably still easy enough to navigate.
Price-wise, the Breville is around $679, while the Jura is $999. Big jump.
Yeah, you're paying for that full automation with the Jura. Plus, it's a bit smaller, dimension-wise. Good for smaller kitchens, maybe?
True. The Jura is more compact. But the Breville has almost 3,100 ratings compared to Jura's 51. That says something about popularity.
Good point. And the Breville has a 4.4 rating, while the Jura has a 4.1 rating, so people seem to like the Breville better.
So basically, Breville for the hands-on espresso lover who wants lattes, and the Jura for someone who wants push-button espresso convenience.
Exactly. Your choice depends on how involved you want to be in the coffee-making process and, of course, your budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.